our lab, we work with protein structures. And we do this because the proteins are the main players in cells, and they are the carriers of the function. They often transmit the signals from the membrane down to the nucleus. If we know the structure, their shape, we can illustrate and even imagine how they work and function in healthy organisms. Our interest is actually more to look into the structures of mutated proteins, which are changes in our genome that correlate with diseases. And we want to do the structures of the mutated proteins because our main aim is to identify the differences with the healthy proteins. And by comparing these differences, we can design molecules that specifically recognize the mutated ones, which are causing the diseases and therefore can correct, or we hope that they can correct these diseases. And at the end, they could be used to treat patients, which is the main goal of our research.